YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, we got a lot to talk about today, guys. So tap on in. But before we get into that, I just have to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. Just give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the market. Today, as you guys could see, total market cap coming in at $3 trillion and Bitcoin really starting to tank hard and capitulate, rejecting down, guys, dropping below that 94 range. And I said that if we drop below that 94 range, it could be really bad, guys. I was hoping we could hold at that 92. That did not hold, bro. That thing ripped through like toilet paper. So you guys can see total market cap now coming in at $1.8 trillion. So much fear in the market, guys. So much fear in the market. We're going to talk about some XRP. We're going to talk about Bitcoin. Don't worry. We got to talk about Bitcoin, though, because, again, Bitcoin looking like it's jumping off a cliff right now. It's looking like the end of the world, right? Looking like the price is going to see a little bit of a correction, which we talked about. That's something that can definitely happen. We're definitely possibly starting to create now on this 7-day also another bear flag, right? We just watched this bear flag play out right here, creating this flagpole with this flag dropping down. Again, another one, flagpole, flag dropping down. Are we going to see the same thing happen again? I was hoping again that we would see some support around that 92.8, but now dropping all the way down to 91. And guys, also CZ sent out a tweet back in 2020, as a matter of fact, and that tweet basically said that if you guys, let me see if I could find it. All you guys that want to check it out, let's see if we can find that tweet right now. Pull it up for you guys. Totally crazy. You guys could see what CZ said. He won't even believe it, guys. You won't believe this, guys. Look at this. This was what CZ put back in 2020, guys. You guys could see. Boom. Waiting for the new headline. Bitcoin crashes from 101 to 85,000. Save this tweet. Guess who saved the tweet? I saved the tweet back in 2020, guys. And now we're all the way in 2025, guys, and look what's going on right now. It looks like CZ might have called it even way back then. How did CZ know that this was going to happen years ago? He said he was waiting for this event to happen. So are we going to possibly see that happen? Are we going to see Bitcoin drop down to that 85 level? It does look like, again, we're starting to see some sell-off, again, breaking down below some key support levels, right? We're seeing Bitcoin now trying to fight back to that 92, but again, we've already really broken the uptrend, right? So now it's just really a matter of, can we hold on to anything that we have here? And it's really, honestly, guys, not looking too hot in the market right now. Let's talk about the rest of these coins, guys. We got to talk about the rest of these coins. You guys can see market absolutely smacked right now after Bitcoin decides it wants to drop off down below that. As a matter of fact, that dropped our fear greed index all the way from a 40 all the way to a 29. You guys could see the entire market cap on all these altcoins just absolutely tanking. And people asking, is our altcoin season now canceled? How long is this correction going to take? So you guys could see some of these coins down big, including XRP. XRP down 10% and Solana down 15%, guys. Solana's down 15%. XRP is down now 10% on the day as well. And my question is this: is XRP going to flip Ethereum on this next leg? Because as you guys could see, XRP closing the gap on these corrections right now, and Ethereum still lacking in volume. My prediction on the channel was that XRP was going to flip Ethereum for number 2. We'll see if that still happens. If you guys are bullish on XRP and you think that XRP can flip Ethereum still in this cycle, let me know. If you guys think also that the cycle's broken, also let me know, right? Let's talk about XRP and see exactly what this Bitcoin price is doing to XRP, as well as what can be some of our zones of either accumulation or, again, some key resistance levels on this chart right now. As you guys can see, we're starting to rip below, right? And one thing that we were talking about on this XRP chart is this shoulder head shoulder, right? We've seen it play out here, shoulder head shoulder. It resulted in a big sell-off, right? And what we don't want to see is this, again, create on this long-term chart here, this shoulder head shoulder, and possibly erase our gains that we made in the past couple of months. XRP has been performing very nicely, guys. You guys can see 88% of people in the community bullish on this, only 12% of people bearish. 1.3 million followers over on CoinMarketCap. which is absolutely insane. And their X is one of the biggest X's in cryptocurrency right now, coming in at a whopping 3 million followers. These guys know how to trend like no other. I wouldn't be surprised right now if they're trending right now. Of course, look what's trending right now. The fact that Bitcoin just dropped below 92K. Guys, how insane. I was saying that we might see a retest of that 92 if we cannot hold this 94. Just crazy to see that again. We broke right through that 92.8 like it was nothing, like it was absolutely no type of support at all. So very interesting. It seems like the bears are starting to take a little bit of control of the market. We do know that these guys like to make money too. They look for good opportunities to short, but we do also know that fake outs sometimes happen early in the week, sometimes usually Monday, Tuesday. So a lot of these guys are probably going to continue shorting it, but is Bitcoin going to continue to capitulate, or are these guys going to get liquidated like what has been happening day after day? Right? People getting liquidated left and right, both ways. This was really the key rejection right here. I was talking about it. I said it when it happened. I said, wow, that was a humongous rejection that we had up at 99. We really needed Bitcoin, guys, to break up above 99. And that Bybit news that we got with the Bybit hack that sent the market down, that really sent us backwards. And it could possibly send us back in price also pretty significantly, as you guys could see on the one-day chart, starting to break down, right? You see how on that one day we rejected right here at 99. I said that was a big deal. You know, people don't really understand how big of a deal that was. And then again, we went off and created this bear flag. After that, look, the price capitulated, right? We were not able to retest this zone again. It was already too much bearish news, right? People feeling the fear, starting to sell off. And then we broke right down below that 94 today, guys. Smacked all the way down to like 91. We're at 91.9 right now. I can't believe it, guys, because again, I thought that we would again be able to start seeing some breakup. No, I don't think anybody foresaw that Bybit hack. Again, we were definitely rolling the dice on the fact that we would be breaking above 95K, because again, we have still been creating lower highs on Bitcoin. We've been trying to recover, but again, the fact that we rejected off of this one day, it's not good, man. Let's look at some of these other charts too, just to kind of see where the price is at. I'm sure it's looking nasty right now. Yeah, as you guys can see, what I told you guys about this, right? When we start seeing this rejection, right? We see a rejection happen here, and then we rejected here. We almost pumped, and then we rejected, rejection. And then now look, guys, now we're trending below this Keltner channel. And I tell you guys on my channel all the time, when we start trending below this bottom Keltner channel, it turns into a slippery slope, right? You see how when we broke below it, it had a hard time. And then now we have to use this as resistance and try to break up above it, which is not going to be easy, especially when you consider the way that the trend's looking. As you guys can see, the 3 hours looking nasty. All these charts are pretty much looking very nasty. Again, 2 hour also looking like, again, what's it going to probably want to do? Maybe see some sell off, right? Anything can always happen. Again, I'm not telling you go off and be short on the market, because again, these guys are going to be getting jacked around left and right too. But I want to know what you guys think, the floor is going to be on Bitcoin. Look, you could see how we're rejecting, right? We could possibly reject off this range on this 1 hour. That's not going to be good. I told you guys, it turns into a slippery slope, because when you cannot break above this bottom Keltner channel, it just turns into rejection after rejection. And you could see some of this price start to see a sell-off. You could see we're trying to break above it, but are we going to hold this? Is it going to break down? Definitely not even close to out of the woods yet right now, in my opinion. This is still looking like a sell right here. But again, you know, they're not going to make it easy for you guys. Fake outs happen usually early in the week anyway, and then real price action, I always say, happens on a Thursday. But that's just speculation, guys. It's all speculative. This whole market is speculative. I want to know what you guys think is going to happen with Bitcoin. I want to know what your price predictions are also with XRP. You guys could see we're starting to break down on XRP, coming in at now $2.29. Are we going to see XRP sub $2? Are we going to see it sub $1.50 even? It's looking like, based off of this chart, right? If we start breaking down off this head shoulder, we could possibly see a pretty big retrace on XRP. Again, we do need the market to stay solid right now, right? If XRP wants to continue to rally, but right now it's not looking too hot, right? Some people saying XRP keeps dropping. And again, guys, I'm long on this. I'm long on XRP. It's definitely a project that I'm looking to pick up. And again, that's why I'm talking about it right now. I wouldn't talk about it if it's not something that has my interest right now. But at the same time, I'm just letting you guys know that we might see some cheaper prices in the market just based off of Bitcoin and the sell-off that's having. But it's nothing new, guys, because again, we've been talking and monitoring this Bitcoin sell-off, talking about every single range of resistance, every single key support that Bitcoin has. If you guys are not yet tapped in and you're not yet following the channel, again, hit that subscribe button. I'm on a mission to hit 100K. We're following this stuff every day. We're going to be covering XRP every day too. We usually do cover XRP on the channel anyway, so we're going to keep covering it. And I want to know what your guys' price predictions are. Do you guys still think that XRP can hit $10 this year? Can XRP hit $10? Let me know in the comment section below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.